Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Stitch Fix for April. Whew, I am excited. I couldn't wait to do this. I've had this delivery since Tuesday, so I'm really excited. Okay, you guys, let's get started. You gotta have your scissors. And here's the box. Let's open. Oh, I better keep that with me. Okay. You got your envelope for mailing stuff back, as always. You've got, where is it? Oh. You got your little Stitch Fix, how much it cost. We'll go over that. And you got your Stitch Fix guide that says, oh, hello. So now I'm going to show you what's in it. So when I open it up, it looks like this. Can't see nothing yet. Oh my God, you guys. Comes like this. Ooh, and there's something down the bottom. I'm so excited. So this is the second thing. So this is how it is, you guys. Ooh, let's get started. It's got the seal right there. We're gonna break that seal. All right, put my scissors down. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna try to be positive. Because was I happy with my last Stitch Fix? Yeah. So, let's look. I don't know. It's real, like boxy. Like it's really square. It's got beautiful detailing. It's got nice stuff around the sleeves. Pretty stuff around the neck. In the back. I don't think it's my style. Nothing at the bottom. Pretty shirt though. And it's from Johnny's Way. And it's an everyday embroidered tee. And it's called a dark gray. Okay, we'll just have to try it on. You know what I always say, if it doesn't pop when you first see it, it's probably something that you don't like. But when you put it on, because when you're in the stores, if something doesn't pop off the shelves, you don't buy it. That's just how it is. But since it's being sent to you, I think you feel more obligated to try it on, and that may help you with picking things better. Now, this is freaking adorable. It's a tie shirt. Adorable little ruffle, like cap sleeves, a V-neck. Look at that. You guys look. And then it's got some little ties that tie in the back. Adorable. I love this. Oh, this is from CC. Oh gosh, I hope this fits. This is really cute. I'm really wanting this to work. Next, oh, what's this? You remember the last jean jacket fiasco? Well, this time they sent me another one. It is an army green. Who is this from? Hope it's not from Paige. Love by Liverpool. Okay, Liverpool's got some pretty good stuff. It's got some different stuff going here in the pockets. That's pretty cool. And let's see the back. It's got some great detailing in the back. You know, snaps on the arms. Snapping all the way down. Okay, we'll try it. Ooh, these are so cute. Oh my God, these are adorable. A pair of 7 jeans. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they're so cute. I love sevens. I have a pair right now. I love the style on the butt. And they're wide leg. Oh, that is so adorable. Oh, you guys, you know sevens though. Ooh, they're expensive. Oh, but I love how it's the pulling effect and the faded and the distressed. Oh, I'm scared to see how much those are. Okay, so that's it for the clothes. Let's see what's in this cute little bag. Oh, this one's killing me, you guys. It's killing me. Okay, so now the bag's in a knot. Okay, here we go. I was gonna say, Here we go. Ooh. I'm so excited that I can't get them out. Okay, these are freaking adorable. Yeah. Really cute. Cute espadrilles. Oh, I love them. And it's kind of like not really a salmon, but between salmon and nude. You want to say pink, but they're not really a pink. So the style is Monica. The color is Bloom Suede. That's what it's called. And they're 7.5. And they're Toms. Of course they are, you guys. Let's go try this stuff on. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I do these all the time. I love to do these. I do lots of unboxings too of everything else. And I just started doing Rae Dunn, where I've been kind of hunting around. That will be fun too. So please subscribe, like, and let me go try this stuff on, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. So here's the shirt. Got cute detailing on it. Nice V-neck, so that works. It's different. I'm going to back up so you can see how it flows. Oh, and I have them on with the 7 jeans. You guys know 7s, they fit funky, and you really have to be careful. The only thing is, for them to be these cute wide legs, they're not long enough. You know, you want them so they're long enough. They're not bad. They're tight. They're tight. And if you guys are wondering what size these are a 29. Any other, are these the Doju? The D-O-J-O. That's what style these ones are. And I have them on with those cute Toms. If you can see. Cute. I don't know. Trying to see how these jeans fit with this. What do you guys think? I'm going to show you the tops. That's how the tops look. Like I said, they feel tight through here. Let me know if you think they're cute. I just think they're too short, so they don't give me my length, you know, throughout my pants. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I feel like I need them to come down a little bit, because they make your legs look shorter if they're too high, but you don't want them hitting the floor either. Okay, let's get on with the next one. Okay, you guys, outfit number 2. Now this I paired with my regular jeans. This top is adorable. Can you see the cute sleeve? And I've got my regular jeans on so you can see how cute the shoes are. Adorbs, right? And I'll show you. So I have a belt on with these, but I think I want to take the belt off because I want to see how well the shirt lays. And you guys, am I supposed to tie this in the front? Is this a front tie? Right? I feel silly. I don't know if it's a front or a back tie. I don't know. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, look at these adorable sleeves. Adorable. What do you guys think? Is this a keeper? How flattering is this? Right? Back up so you can see the whole outfit. Like, this is so flattering. I really like this. Okay, let's just try on the jean jacket. And I'm just going to grab it and try it on. Okay, now these little grommets or snaps aren't falling off like the last jean jacket. Okay, let's try it on. And you know, it doesn't go with the top, but you can get the gist of it. It's really a cute jean jacket. I'll get closer so you can see the coloring. Really cute, right? You can do whatever you want to the collar. You know, fix your hair, make sure it looks right, because that's all half of the style, right? Really cute jean jacket. Yeah, that's cute. There's the arm, pockets, and do you want to see the back? Can you see the back of the jean jacket? Okay. All right. That was everything. Oh my gosh, because the shirt, the jean jacket, the shirt, the shoes, the other shirt, the pants, that was it. Okay, let's go talk. Okay, you guys, let's check out how much everything cost. God, I love that shirt. Ugh. All right, let's see. Got my price list. Okay, the Liverpool denim jacket, $88. Okay, reasonable. 7 For All Mankind jeans, they're indigo, $159. We knew that was going to be that though, right? We knew that. Okay, Johnny Was, and that's the Everyday Embroidered dark gray t-shirt. Woo, $125. CC Sportswear, the fluttery detail top, was $68. Yes, getting that. And the Toms, oh, on here they're called Blush, were $90. That all came to $377. I've kind of been in that ballpark, don't you think? I think I've been in that. So here is the price, and there you have everything that's on there. Sorry. Would you have guessed that gray shirt was more than this freaking adorable top? Tell me what you guys think. You know, I really like the jean jacket, but do I need another jean jacket? But it's army green. Okay, you guys, thanks for coming to my channel. I really appreciate you watching my April Stitch Fix. I'm really excited about it. I got a couple things that I want to pick. For sure, the pretty blousey top. The jeans, probably not. The jean jacket, I'm on the fence. It's going to take a minute. The shoes are adorable. That gray top, cute, but way too expensive for that gray top. Okay, tell me what you think, though. I really want your comments. And please give me a like. Put your comments in. Please subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And I will see you guys later. Thank you for coming to my channel. Bye-bye. I sounded really Minnesotan. Later. Bye-bye, guys.
We're alive, living life underwater. Let's spend all we've got getting buzzed. You pretend you're